Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a super exciting Dollar Tree Halloween haul for you guys. I was not expecting to find everything that I found on this trip into my Dollar Tree. I was expecting them to still have out school stuff because typically in my area my Dollar Trees are like 2 weeks to a month behind everyone else. I don't know why, but they are. So I was not expecting it, but I was super excited when I went in and they had all of the stuff. So I have quite a bit of stuff to get through. So let's go ahead and jump right in. So I do still have everything in the baggies. So I apologize for the crinkling, but I'm just gonna go ahead and pull stuff out at random, show you what I got. So the first item I'm pulling out here is this new mesh tube. They obviously have had other mesh tubes in the past, usually in the traditional black, purple, and orange color. This one caught my attention because it's like a jute twine wrapped around like a clear tube, which I thought was really interesting. So I went ahead and grabbed one of those. And then I also picked up some of the pumpkin picks. So they have these little white ones with black specks on them. You get 5 on sticks, and these are the teeny ones. And then I also picked up a pack, I think I got 2 of these. Yes, got 2 of these. These are the orange glittered ones, and these ones are a little bit bigger than the previous white ones. Next up, I have some of the pumpkin clips. So I grabbed a set of the orange, and these are more of like a super dark orange. Definitely picking up the color on camera. They do have a black speckle to them. And then on the back, they have the little clips so you can clip them to things or just take the clips off and glue them to whatever you want. And then I also picked up the white ones. Apparently I grabbed one that's missing a stem, but that doesn't bother me too much. And then these also have little clips on them, and then they are also splattered as well. I actually grabbed 2 of those. So here's the other one. And then I grabbed, these were new this year. They have some of these sunflower picks. So the first one, you get 6, and they are just paper flowers. And then they have little wires on the back of them, so that way you could attach them to whatever you wanted. You could also hot glue them. These remind me of and are about the same quality as like scrapbooking paper flowers is what these remind me of. They just don't have the little adhesive already on them, but these are really cute. And then I also picked up the pack of the tinier ones, and you get 9 flowers in here. These are also connected on a little green vine wire on the back. And then I grabbed one set of these brown flocked spiders. They have brown ones this year. I don't remember them having brown ones last year. All I remember seeing ever is the black one, so I grabbed the brown. They do have a couple different sizes of spiders if you're particular, but I went ahead and grabbed these this time. And then, so I grabbed, let's see. Oh. Next up, I grabbed one of these metal wreath hangers. I was excited that they actually had a black one, and this one actually feels like decent quality for $1. They usually have kind of weird colors, so I just picked up the plain black. And then I have a full bag of mesh and ribbon assortment. Let's see. So I picked up one of each of the glittered versions. These have kind of a spider web, and then the orange and the purple have kind of a black border on them. These are absolutely beautiful in person. And on each roll you get 9 feet. So grabbed one of each of those colors. And then I also grabbed one of each, I believe, of the prints. So I grabbed the black and white bats and then the black and white spiderweb. And these also you get 9 feet apiece. Next, I grabbed a bunch of the, what is this, decorative mesh. So I grabbed a bunch of orange, some of the purple, and then some of the black. So the black one is actually, so like the orange and the purple, they have a, like a glitter piece running throughout them. And the black one, I don't know if it's just not as shiny, but it doesn't look like it has it. I don't know. But I grabbed a bunch of each color. I'm just going to show you one of each. But I bought several. And then, so I don't remember if I have some of these left over from last year, but they brought the metal words back, which I was happy about because these are makes crafting super easy if you don't have a Cricut to do vinyl. So these are, you get 3 of them in a pack. They say thankful, harvest, and welcome. And these are the galvanized metal words, like that. So I grabbed 2 of those. And then left over in this bag, I picked up, because every time I go to Dollar Tree, I always pick up a pack of the thank you cards. I love this particular print. So if you purchase something from my Poshmark closet, I send a little thank you note right along with it. And I've been going through these like hotcakes, so I was glad to pick up another pack. And then next up here, I have a bunch of Halloween greeting cards. So I will quickly go through those with you. So they all have orange envelopes. So let me just quickly remove those from the stack here because I probably won't use those. But I have a bunch of their greeting cards. For $1, these are such a great price if you are giving cards or using them for a craft project like I am. So the ones that I picked up this time are this little black kitty cat on a pumpkin that says boo. Super cute. Inside it just says Halloween's the night to boo as you please. Happy haunting. And these are Heartline by Hallmark. And I'm not sure what these retail at, but super cute card. Next up, I picked this one up. This one definitely had Harry Potter vibes to it. It's just this little kitty sitting on a stack of books with a bat, and then it actually has glitter on it, which is super cute. And inside it says, a spell has been cast that your Halloween fun will last and last. Have a magical Halloween. That is adorable. This one actually has the price on it. This one was $2.39, and again, one of the Heartline collection. Next up, I thought this was adorable. It's this little ghost eating candy, but because he's a sheet, it just falls right through him. I thought it was adorable. And this one says, hope Halloween happies up your sweet tooth. This doesn't quite flow to me, but I just really like the image on the front. The little ghost and the white border are glittered. Next up, I have this one. It says Halloween magic is in the air with a pumpkin who's got some bats and glitter. And this one just says, enjoy all the fun that only happens on this once a year night. It's a really nice card. It's weird that some of these have the prices and some of them don't. This one is a bigger one. It says warmest Halloween wishes with the pumpkins. Inside it says, wishing you all the happiness of this Halloween season, hoping it finds you feeling appreciated and loved. Really like that one. The sentiment is really sweet as well. This one does have light glittering on it. Probably not going to pick it up on the camera very well, but this is really cute. And then the last one, I don't remember if I got this one last year, so I'll have to go through my cards and find out. But it's just this jack-o'-lantern that says Happy Halloween, the little spider up here. And inside it says, hope your Halloween is so happy it makes you glow inside. So really cute. So I do usually, I didn't do one last year, but I like and enjoy the October daily books, mini albums and stuff. And these would be absolutely perfect to put and incorporate into a mini album of some sort. So I love these, and for $1, they're really great ephemera to add to scrapbooking, Project Life, any of that type of stuff. These are great for that. That is the end of our second bag. And I did pick up one of these. I don't know how easy you guys are going to see this. This is a Wired Witch wreath form. I don't really have a plan for this. I just thought it was really cute. I might try and make a wreath. I've never actually made a wreath before, so we'll see how that works out. But I did really like this. I was looking for the pumpkin ones, but they didn't have any out, so hopefully they'll get some. But here's the witch hat. It's actually quite large, which is exciting. And then we have... So next up, I picked up 2 of the, what size is this? Does this even say? These are just the wreath forms. Oh, this is the 14-inch, so I picked up 2 of those. And then the thing that I picked up the most of are the wooden pieces. So I will just show you all the ones that I found. I found this one that says Happy Halloween. That. These are just plain wood pieces that you can paint, you can stain, you can add them to other projects. You can literally do whatever you want with these. There's a million options, and they do come with a little bit of jute twine, so you could just hang this up if you like the look of just the bare wood. This one says Wicked with a broom and a little witch hat at the top. Super cute. And then I don't remember if they've had these in the previous years. More of like a flat pumpkin, but it's a shorter one instead of like a tall one. But this one actually has 2 layers, and you guys can tell. So the little pieces stick up on here, and then it has the little raffia at the top, which I find is really cute. You can flip it over and just use this side if you wanted the plain side, but this is really cute. Then I also found 2, nope, got 3 of them. They have a bunch of different styles of these little standy ones, so they actually stand on their own. So all you have to do is paint them, stain them, do whatever you want to them. You could even put like a little tea light behind it on a table or a desk or a shelf, whatever you wanted to give it a glow. And these are really cute for $1. I love the haunted house. And then I also picked up the ghost and the pumpkin. Next, I picked up a bunch more of the wood pieces. So this one is the little jack-o'-lantern. And then I have the haunted house. this one is new. This is a witch with a cauldron. I also think these are new as well. So you have the cauldron with the banner that you could put whatever you want on it. And then you've got the really cute little witch's legs up behind it. So adorable. I love this. And then I think this one they've had before. Correct me if I'm wrong. But this is a kitty cat with a jack-o'-lantern down here. I do have 2 of these because I have a kitty, so I love cats. And when Halloween comes around, I usually love all of the kitty cat stuff because I think it's so cute. And then I also picked up one of each of these. These I think are new this year. They are these, they're just calling them decor, but they're these like thick, I don't know if this is particle board or what this is, but this one says boo. Is this what I think? And then the other one says eek. And I love these. I think these are so stinking cute, and I love how thick they are in comparison to the wood pieces that are super thin. Like, they're super lightweight as well. These are very thick and sturdy. And then in the last bag that I have here, I picked up a bunch of the, these are called craft bottles. They are $1 a piece. They're basically mimicking the mason jars, but they are actually plastic, which I don't know if I like the plastic or the glass better. I usually typically go for glass if I have an option. But I do have some projects in mind for these, so I went ahead and grabbed these. These are really cute little small size if you're doing something for a wedding, bridal shower, party, things like that. These would be really easy, quick. You could put little tea lights in it, decorate it, put some jute twine, whatever. These are, you know, a million ways to decorate these, but these are really cheap and easy to make a centerpiece with. And then the last thing, the last thing, I don't remember them coming out with these last year. These are some more of the metal signs. These are actually Halloween ones. So they look like this. They have the purple tag on them. They say haunted, spooky, and beware. So I really like these. These are just galvanized. Again, you could paint these. You could, I don't know, cut them apart. You could do so many things with these. So I did pick up 2 because I have some ideas planned for these. And if you guys want to see some of my craft videos, make sure to like this video and subscribe. I have a bunch more videos planned for this spooky season. You don't want to miss out. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!